A short 3D film animation story about a young farmer who achieved success through hard work and perseverance. Animated story by Ilocano Melody. Official. Here's a short story idea of a young boy farmer who achieved success through hard work and perseverance. Perfect for animation. A short film. An inspirational storytelling. A simple community where lives a boy who became aware of the hardships of life. At a young age, worked hard, persevered to achieve his dream. A boy living in a quiet rural village in the Philippines, somewhere in Quezon, Isabela. He is cheerful, curious, and very responsible for his age. The roosters crow, and the boy wakes up even before his parents. Along the way, they greet other farmers and neighbors. The boy is well known and admired for being mature and hardworking. He helps herd the carabao, guides it while plowing, and sings as he does simple tasks like clearing weeds or lining up seedlings, and joins his father walking toward the rice fields. His father teaches him how to tell if the soil is ready for planting just by its texture and color. And even sometimes took deep sighs and breath and asking himself why these things happen to him. The changes into his neatly ironed school uniform, he prepared it the night before. He combs his hair, checks his reflection in a small mirror hung on the bamboo wall, and smiles confidently. After preparing himself in the early morning, the boy sets out for school. But in the rural area where he lives, there's no concrete road. Only a narrow, muddy path that cuts through the rice fields. After a night of rain, the field is especially wet and slippery. In his spare time, his job was to herd buffalo or play with his friends running together while playing with his white best friend goat. Or even playing with his friends and relatives around their houses. After several years of persistence in studying, he graduated from the School of Bachelor's of Secondary Education major in mathematics. He was very happy with his success. His father was also very happy who he was leaning on in times of need. After his graduation, he decided to go abroad to try to change the poverty they were experiencing. And not long after, he was able to go to Middle East and Saudi Arabia. There was a little sadness in his father's eyes, and his brothers still allowed him to leave. As time goes by and by, after 5 long years of hard work in the Middle East as an overseas worker, the boy, now in his mid-20s, returns to his hometown in the Philippines. He takes a deep breath, smiles, and looks around. Everything feels familiar yet different. His family's house, once made of nipa, is now partly concrete, the result of the remittances he sent home. With the money he earned during his 5-year contract in the Middle East, he helped transform their old nipa hut into a concrete house. No matter how complicated the past is, experiencing hardship should not be a reason to give up, but instead be a reason to get up and make it a motivation to achieve the desired dream. Poverty should not be the reason for giving up, but it should be used as an instrument to achieve your desired success and objectives in life.